Hello, hello. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. Please come on in, say hi. I'm just going to tag a few people to join in. So, how are you doing today? How's your day been? I tried to do something a little bit different today. I decided to come out and do my live. So here's what actually happened today. I've been working on the computer. I am busy creating some really cool, awesome Black Friday promotions. Yes, I am, secret. But as a result of that, I've been really spending a lot of time on the computer. And I was about to go do this live from my office. And because I've been really spending so much screen time, my eyes have really been getting dry and really stingy. You know that feeling when you've been staring at the computer for so long? So I decided to go freshen up my eyes. And they were burning so much, I didn't realize I had picked up the wrong bottle. And I squirted into one eye and I squirted it into the other eye, and immediately my eyeball was on fire. And instinctively I knew what I did. I quickly picked up the bottle, and what it is eardrops. And so I thought, okay, that's it. It's obviously time to get outside, get some fresh air, take a walk, and do my life while I'm taking my walk. So hello, if you've just joined me, if you are new here, my name is Samantha Edwards-Hubert. I am a certified habit change coach. I'm also a transformational coach, and I work with women that have been struggling to lose weight. These are women that have tried everything to lose weight and nothing has worked. And what I do is I work with women and I show them how to lose weight and keep it off without being on a diet and without having to spend long hours in the gym. So today I want to share with you something that's been coming up with my friends, and it's come up with a couple of clients as well. You may or may not have heard me refer to clean eating. It's something I love doing. It's something that I've embraced. And they were like, okay, well, Sam, what exactly is clean eating? So I thought I'd come to you a short video and just give you a little bit of an insight as to what clean eating is. So if you have heard of clean eating, pop it in the comments. Right, clean eating equals yes. And if you're new to clean eating, then pop in the comments. Clean eating equals new. And also, while you're doing that, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments for me. So here is what clean eating is. Clean eating is eating food in its cleanest form, right? So you're eating it as close to nature. So it's nothing that's deep fried, processed, or smothered in sauce. Rather, it's eating more vegetables. You're looking for those one ingredient foods. So for example, meat. So beef, grass-fed beef, chicken, fish, vegetables, it's the simplest way of eating. And it is the healthiest way of eating, because when you start embracing clean eating, not only is it absolutely delicious, and yes, I've got some amazing recipes for you. So if you want some recipes, pop in the comments, recipes, yes. Pop that in the comments, recipes, yes. And I'll make sure I get that over to you. So with clean eating, like I said, you're eating food that's close to its natural source. So if you would think about things like sauteed vegetables, fruit, smoothies, all of that really good, wholesome food. And with clean eating, what you are doing is you're rebalancing, resetting your body. And when you've been clean eating, and your body's in balance, you will realize your body is now alkaline. You start losing weight effortlessly. You start enjoying better sleep, more energy. Like, the benefits are amazing. Clearer skin, better moods. Like, it is absolutely amazing. So I also have an amazing guide for you. And in the guide, I have, I think it's 4 days. It's a 4-day program, and it shows you day 1, what to eat, day 2, day 3, and day 4. So if you are new to clean eating, this is a really, really, really good way to get started. If you are looking at getting healthy, this is also a good way to get started. If you're looking to lose weight and shed pounds, this is my highest recommendation. So if this is something that you're interested in, if you would like a copy of the guide, just hashtag in the comments guide, and I will make sure I get that out to you. So thank you so much for joining me this evening. It has been awesome talking to you. I am going to make my way back inside. It is getting a little bit cooler on my side. So in the meantime, take good care. And again, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments and I will get back to you. In the meantime, take good care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.